Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use calcium lactate powder. Calcium lactate is a fantastic ingredient, widely recognized for its role in molecular gastronomy and as a dietary supplement. It's a white crystalline salt that's highly soluble in water, making it incredibly easy to work with in various applications. Unlike some other calcium salts, it offers a neutral taste, which is a huge advantage when you want to add calcium without affecting your dish's original flavor profile. One of the most exciting culinary uses for calcium lactate is in spherification, particularly reverse spherification. To do this, you'll typically create a calcium bath by dissolving about 5 grams of calcium lactate in 1 liter of water. Then, you drop your sodium alginate mixture into this bath to form beautiful, liquid-filled spheres. For direct spherification, you'd incorporate the calcium lactate directly into your flavored liquid, usually at a concentration of about 2%, before dropping it into an alginate bath. Beyond the kitchen, calcium lactate is also a popular dietary supplement. It's an excellent source of calcium, which is vital for strong bones, healthy teeth, and proper muscle function. For adults, a common supplemental dose might be around 300 to 600 milligrams per day, often split into 2 or 3 doses. However, it's always best to speak with a healthcare professional to determine the right dosage for your individual needs and to ensure it complements your overall health regimen. Proper storage is key to maintaining the quality and effectiveness of your calcium lactate powder. Always keep it in a cool, dry environment, away from direct sunlight and humidity, which can cause it to clump. Ensure the container is tightly sealed after each use to protect it from moisture and air. When handling, always use clean, dry utensils to avoid contamination. Following these simple guidelines will help ensure your calcium lactate remains fresh and ready for all your culinary and supplemental needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.